Follow these steps to rearrange the tools and panels in Affinity to make them more organized. The default layout of Affinity might be out of order, but if you try to move them directly like this, the icons won't move. So, you need to click the Customize Tool icon to enter edit mode. Now you can move the tools wherever you want. Or change them to 2 columns. If there are rarely used icons or frequently used shortcuts like zoom or pan, you can hide them by dragging and dropping them out. Next, I'll show you how I arrange the panels, and I'll delete this one and start over. Go back to the Customize tool and select Panel. Use the search box for quicker navigation. You can follow the example of the panels I added. Next, drag the panel to the side until it's attached like this. Here, I'll arrange the panels that are less frequently used. Next, I'll paste the main panels that I use frequently here. You can move these tools if needed. Next, save this arrangement as a new studio. Create a name, background color, and icon. Then click Create. If you return to Vector Studio and the panel layout changes, return to the studio you created, and the panel layout will remain as you previously set it. That's it. Hope this helps. For your information, the voice you hear in this video was generated with ElevenLabs. It's one of the best AI voice tools available today, offering natural and realistic voices in many different languages and accents. ElevenLabs is already used by thousands of creators around the world to make professional voiceovers quickly and easily. If you'd like to try it, I've put the link in the description.